Hello friends, I am Dr. Krishna Chaudhary, cosmetic surgeon, Pune, India. Today's patient, 28 years old male, has come with hollow cheeks and he wants to enhance them. During discussion, we decided that the fat will be extracted from his abdomen and injected in both cheeks. 20 cc of fat was injected each side after proper filtration and concentration of fat. Please see before and after results. Thanks friends. Here fat is removed from abdomen. Fat is strained through 0.8 millimeter filters to 2 cc syringes, so they become nanoparticles and acceptability is very high and survival rate is very high. And with 18 gauge needle it was injected in right cheek, left cheek, point by point and in different layers from different angles. So that gives a uniform appearance and cheeks looks very natural. Fat is removed by non-touch method. It is filtered and put in syringe without touching it. Therefore, the survivability is very high and small particles takes up very well. And puncture marks are not visible and you can appreciate post-operative results after 4 months when he had come for follow-up. Both cheeks have come up very well and he is very happy. However, he has to take care that he will not lose the weight. He should try to put on weight. Thanks friends.